to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my farmhouse chicken parcels. These things are so easy and so tasty to make. Look, let's just get on with that. Alright, here I've got a wheel of Brie cheese, and I'm going to cut off some little chunks. They're going to be around about sort of 25 to 30 grams worth per slice, right? So you can add as much or little of these as you like. Alright, so we're just going to cut those off. Pretty simple, nice sharp knife, and whatever we don't use, we're going to use for a little bit of snackage later on. Okay, pretty simple. And if you haven't tried cooking with Brie before, the flavour, amazing. Alright, I'm going to have a couple of chicken breasts. I'm going to slice these straight through the centre horizontally, just like that. Be nice and careful, don't cut your hands, just cut the chicken. Okay, so we've done one. We're now going to do the second one, just like that, and use a nice sharp filleting knife. It'll make things a little bit easier. Alright, we're going to put our half breast down and cover that with a bit of baking paper, and I'm just going to use my meat mallet. I'm just going to give that a nice bit of what for. I'm going to give that a nice little smash-a-rooney like that, just to flatten it out and make it just a little bit larger. Right, now keep it wrapped up, we'll put that aside, and we'll keep going on with the rest of our slices of chicken breast. And if you've got a little bit of tenderloin or whatever, you can also do that. Filo pastry, we're going to put down one sheet, bit of spray oil over the top, or melted butter. I'll leave that up to you. Spray oil makes things nice, quick and easy, and probably a little bit healthier as well. We're going to put our second sheet down and try and get that as close to as possible to match the one underneath. If it doesn't end up perfect, don't worry. Okay, believe me, just don't worry. And now we're going to lay down a couple of strips of bacon. We're going to make that around about the width of our chicken breast. Right, so just lay those down straight like that, and we're going to get our chicken breast and we're going to lay that lengthwise straight across the bacon, just like that. How easy is this so far? Okay, and my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to lay down a slice of our Brie cheese that we've just cut, and we're also going to add in a couple of slices of pears. Now these pears, they are tin pears, they've been cooked off, they're already done. There's no need to worry about having to cook those, and they're really inexpensive. We're going to wrap our bacon up in our filo pastry just like that. We're going to before we fold, we're going to make sure we put a little bit of spray oil down. That's going to work as a glue. Okay, we're going to fold those edges in just like that. Okay, and we've got a little bit of exposed pastry. Give that a hit with a bit of spray oil, and we're just going to roll those over. How easy is that? Okay, there we go. We've got our first farmhouse chicken parcels. All we have to do now is just repeat what we're doing, and if your chicken breast isn't as wide, you don't need to use as many slices of bacon. Alright, all my little kids are sitting on a tray with some baking paper. Give those a quick hit with some spray oil. It's going to help them go nice and crunchy and nice and golden brown. And I'm just going to add in a few dried herbs over the top. Gives you a nice real colour and a little bit of extra flavour as well. You can use some parsley, some thyme, and maybe even some chive. They're going to go into the oven, 180 degrees. They're going to cook off for around about 30 minutes ish or so, until the chicken is cooked. It is that thin, it's not going to take that long. I'm going to serve that up just like that, and I'm going to cut one in half for you so you can see what it looks like on the inside. These things are salty, sweet, and absolute perfection. Love to see you try and make these ones at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. All ingredients are at the end of this video, but in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something rustic, fun, and incredibly tasty like this one, need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my farmhouse chicken parcels, and I will catch you next time. Bye.